Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get free VIP. I say that lightly because it's a little bit hard to do. It's not like there's a quest that you can do to earn it, but you can join a lot of giveaways that are giving away Robux as well as VIP. I'm sure a lot of like creators, and if you join the Dress to Impress Discord, you can find a lot, and I mean a lot of giveaways. They hand it out like every month. There is a lot of giveaways that people host, whether it's Robux, free VIP for a month, or free VIP forever. They also give away custom makeup, and I'm sure a lot of your favorite creators do that as well. You can also like ask people, but I don't recommend doing that, especially if you're on free play or here you like enter VIP using like this trick, or you just say it in chat and follow them around saying that you need VIP. People won't just give it out for you unless they're the ones who join like servers and they ask you to do something, and then you do it, and then basically you get VIP from that because it's them who give it out rather than you asking for it. It is a little bit tricky. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. Well, not super simple, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.